What's up, guys? It is a beautiful Saturday. I'm at the house. Now, I'm about to go to the hardware store because the pegs that are in my El Cheapo Amazon floorboards, the little studs, have worked their way out, so I took the rest of them out. And so I'm going to go to the hardware store and see if I can get some like this that are just Allen's, and if they don't have them, I'll just order them on Amazon. So, the other issue that I have is, one, all the soot on the bottom of the bag. I've got some polish so we can get that off. And I'm probably going to put a full-length exhaust on to fix that. But another thing that I don't like, and I've been on the fence about, but I'm going to try it, is when I get on the bike and I stand it upright, and we see the kickstand there, I have to really lean up to get it. Short people problems. No. Short people problem. Some of y'all may not have that problem. This guy does. So, on the trusty Amazon, I bought a kickstand extension. You just have to drill a hole in it and bolt it in. And it has a little lip on it there so that it sits on the kickstand just right. So let's see what that looks like. It has a bolt and a washer. It's going to go through there. And then it has a nylon locking nut and another washer. We'll put that on the back side here. Takes a 10 millimeter and a 5 millimeter Allen. Make sure that it's tight enough that it doesn't shake loose. All right, now let's test it. I'm sitting on the bike now. Let's see what it looks like. It's definitely easier to reach. It's definitely a little easier to reach. It comes pretty close to hitting the floorboards, but I don't know that these are the permanent floorboards. There's a lot of things that I actually do like about them. And I also have tennis shoes on, so it's a little bit better with other shoes, I'm sure. So I'm about to throw some jeans on and head to the hardware store, see if I can find some bolts for that next time.